Okay, going on the Capcut tutorial, we want to discuss how you can add sound to your video that you are making. So you made a video and then you are doing editing, you want to add sound to it, maybe a song or an instrumental you want to add to it. This is very simple thing to do on Capcut. How you do it is that immediately your video is uploaded on Capcut, you have loaded it on Capcut. The next thing to do is to tap on the option that says audio. Look down on your screen, you see the options there, you see edit, then the next is audio, and then text. The option to tap on for that function is audio, so I tap on audio. The next thing is to tap on sounds. When you tap on sounds, it takes you to where you can now input or select the sound that you want, so that is music or whatever, you get me. But then mine is not showing up here because my internet connection is not on. But let's try my my phone storage. If you look after just this after this icon that shows like fire there, the next one is your phone storage. So tap on phone storage. It takes you to where your sound, music, instrumental, whatever are stored in your phone. So then the next thing to do is to tap on device. When you tap on device, that's where your own music and what have you are stored. So you choose from anyone. You choose anyone you want. Let's say I want to choose Abike. When you get to the one you want to choose, you tap on the plus button that's just beside the music or the instrumental that you want to use, the background sound that you want to use. You tap on the plus button there, and you see now the music has been added. So let's play it and see. Alright, good day and welcome once again to my channel, All Things Simple. When you listen, you can hear the sound. Want to talk about So now, that's the sound that has been added. But then, you have added the sound, and just the way it sounded here, you see that the background sound, the music that I added, is overshadowing my voice, the voice in the video. How do you now work on it? The way you work on it is that if you can see very well, the what's it called now, the music or the sound that I've added, the window of that sound is what is on now. In the last video I talked about how to add sticker, and I said the sticker has its own window by which you can do edits. You can edit the sticker itself. It's the same way. Everything you add on Capcut to your video has their own window, such that when you tap on them, on that particular thing that you added, for example, now if I tap on this top one here, that's the window for the video itself. If I tap on this other one here at the bottom, which is the one for the sound that has been added, you can see the one that has waves, that's sound. So when you tap on it, it brings out the window of the sound. Therein is how you can now edit the sound. So I want to edit this sound. I notice that the sound is higher, the volume of the sound is higher than my voice in the video. I come to the options down here that says volume. When you check, you see the option, it says volume. I tap on volume, and then I can either increase it or decrease it, so depending on what you want. So me, I want to decrease, so I just drag to the left, 35%. Alright, good day and welcome once again to my channel, All Things Simple. So it begins to play. We want to talk about, or we want to begin a series of. So you see, it begins to play, showing you how it is, how it will sound, But then I think it is too high for me, so I then decrease again to, let's say, 20. Alright, good day and welcome once again to my channel, all things simple, we want to talk about, or we want to begin a series of videos that will be. So, depending on you, so if the sound that you have added is to your taste, you have done the volume to your taste, that you're okay with it, then you cannot tap on the mark, the good mark button. You can see there, just after the volume, the volume there, you see a good mark, a mark for good. You tap on it to say that, okay, we are good to go. The sound that you have, the volume of the sound that you have added is now applied. So what next can you do, concerning editing this sound that you have added? Sometimes your video could be, say, let's say 1 minute, and the sound that you have added is 2 minutes. It means that when the video ends, the sound will keep on playing. How do you now bridge it together? How do you bridge it together? The way you bridge it is that when you get, let's say my video ends at 0.20 seconds, and then you see this line that divides the video and the sound, you see that there's still more, more sound, after it. What you do is that you tap on, when you get to that point where the video ends, and that is the point you want the sound to also end, you then tap on split, this split button here. When you tap on split, you see the sound has been splitted, and that's because we are in the window of the sound. Take note of that. The way you edit is that each portion of that video, the video itself has its own window, the sound has its own window, the sticker you add, they have their own windows too. So when you tap on each of them, you get to their windows. That's when you cannot do editing on either of them. So now we want to edit, we want to cut out parts of the sound because it's longer than the video itself. The way you do it is the way you cut out video portions that are unwanted. So this one now is unwanted too. This sound is unwanted. You don't want that part of the sound to continue. So you then tap on split, and then the next thing to do, you tap on delete. You can see delete there. So I tap on delete. You see down the sound that are after this line has been removed. You get me now? So that's how you go about it. But then let's say the other way round. Let me bring it back. Let me do undo. The sound is back now. So now your video, or okay, yes, your video is longer, not shorter now this time around. Your video is longer than the sound that you have added. Say the video is 5 minutes, the video itself is 5 minutes, and then the sound is 2 minutes, and you want that sound to appear all through the video. What you do is that, for example, in this one now, let me see if I drag to the point where like the end. Yes. So when you see this one now, the sound has ended, but the video is still on. See, you see. What do you now do to salvage this issue? What you do is that same way you tap on the window of you tap on the sound, so that it brings up the window of the sound to make the sound active. What you do is that you duplicate the sound. Yes, that's what you do. You duplicate the sound. So now, how do you duplicate the sound? Go over to the options. And then tap on duplicate. At the end there, you see duplicate. When I tap on duplicate, you see that the sound continues. The sound now starts over again. That's what it means. So when it starts over again, you see that it continues now down to the end of the video. But now we'll now have another problem. The other problem we now have is that the sound is now longer than the video. What do we now do? Repeat. You repeat that same thing again, where we now split and delete. You split the part where it gets longer than the video, and then delete that part out of it. And when you do that, both the sound and the video will not be of equal length. The video will be on, the sound will be on from start to finish. So yeah, so that's pretty much about adding sound. You want to also reduce the noise in the sound, you can do that. See the option there. You want to enhance the voice, this is the option there. Whatever you want to do to the sound, you can do it on this window, the options that appear on this window. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial on how to add sound to your video when doing video editing. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please do well to also subscribe to this channel for more educative and enlightening videos. Thank you very much.